Hello everyone, this is Sean, your roof guy. I'm on a roof here in downtown Deltona. Looking for some storm damage, or looking at some damage from the storm. I'm on a nice little 7-pitch. I was going to show you a couple things on how to identify the difference between hail and blistering. I get that question a lot. And I've got textbook hail and some textbook blistering on this roof. So let's flip this around and show you the difference. First thing I want to say is we're on this roof today because we did the roof across the street about 2 years ago. And they still remember, you know, my name and who we are. And when our neighbor was talking to her, she said, "You've got to call Sean, your roof guy. He's going to help you out." And I'll show you guys what hail impact fracture looks like. This is a good impact fracture. You can feel the bruising of the matting. There's another one. You can see the granules are crushed into it, kind of a semicircular pattern. That's good textbook hail. Over here, that's blistering. See the sharp edges and nothing crushed in it. It comes off, blistering. This is hail. Hail impact fractures do the opposite. They hit and they crush the granules into it and they damage the matting behind it. So if you're questioning whether it's hail or blistering, that's a real good way to tell. It's not unusual to see, you know, blistering with hail impact on top of it. Something like this. So you notice ridge vent, all this is from hail. You can see the dings and the discoloration. So this is a good hail claim. I'm gonna get down and help these customers call this claim in. You guys have a great day. Be kind to each other. Like, subscribe, share my videos. This is Sean with XLR8 Roofing. You guys have a great day.